Hey guys, so from my previous video you could tell or you saw the goodies I got from Ghana. So I've been unpacking since the goodies came in. Now I'm going to be doing a series of videos on how I store those items. So I'm starting off with my dried I was gonna say shrimp. No, dried snails. So I haven't had dried snails in over 20 years since I've been in the US, and I wanted to, I don't know, I guess when I was making the list, it just came into mind, so I requested for it. But I would love some dried snails in some palm nut soup. So I'll be making that soon, but we're going to prep these snails and get them ready for cooking. So actually I've never cooked with snails. I was on the phone with my BFF when her mom said I need to soak the snails. I was just gonna soak it overnight because just for soaking sake, or just to clean them up, but I didn't know I was supposed to actually soak it. So I was going to wash it. Actually, I did wash a couple of times, then took it off the sticks. In Ghana, they put them on these sticks so they'll be able to dry them together. So I'm going to take them off the sticks, or try to take them. I didn't know it was even that hard for them to come off the stick. So after a couple of rinses and trying to take them off the stick, I wasn't able to take them all. I just left those that I wasn't able to do. I just put them all back in the bowl, put some water on top, and left it overnight.
Remember, hold on.
I don't know why that girl was calling me video.
I don't have her video, yeah.
When she knows I'm busy working.
Oh,
Yep, it's you. You called me.
hey, what can then?
So if I can get back to what I was doing, as I was saying, I'm still trying to take the snails off the stick. And yo, I did not know that some of the shells the shells of the snails were still on the meat. I am so glad I was told to soak this overnight. I may have just washed it and kept it in the freezer without soaking it. But I was so glad I was told to soak it because it has shells on them. It had sand. It had so much coming off after washing it after the next day. I didn't know it took that much work, but I hope it's worth it. I hope it's worth the money and also the work that I put in, because I had to take them off the stick one at a time and wash them. I mean, wash them to make sure the sand and the shells and everything on it came off. It was a lot of work, y'all. It took a while, but I was patient because I'm ready to chop this in some abenquine. So if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe below, hit the notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I do have a lot of videos scheduled to come live. What I've been doing is just record these videos, upload them on YouTube, and try to let them go live once a week, because I have so many content, or so much content that I'm recording every day. It looks like my life involves recording videos now, and I love it. Actually, I love the recording. I love to go back at the end of the day to edit. And because I'm using a phone, actually, I do have two phones. One is just for recording. And so, because the content is so much, I have to edit, upload so I can erase it, so I can video or record another content. And so, I've been doing a lot of videoing, I've been doing a lot of editing at the end of the day. So, yo, please subscribe below, hit the notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I am on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. Facebook and Instagram, I'm there as Inshuraba Sewa, or my business name, Afric Style Initiatives. On my LinkedIn, it's my full name, Sewa Ama Quarantine. You can follow me on these platforms. On Facebook, I do post a lot about my businesses. And here on YouTube, I just share content about my lifestyle. It's either business, cooking, money, savings, anything that I can think about, anything that I'm involved in, I try to record and share it to encourage somebody or just to brighten somebody's day. So that's what this channel is about. If you have questions or something that you'd like for me to do, that's appropriate, yo. I am very conservative, so I'm very particular about things I record. So if it's something comfortable that I can do, then of course I'll do it. But if not, I'll let you know as well. So if you've ever tried dried snails, if you in abroad and have tried dried snails from Ghana for anything, just let me know what you use them for, how you liked it. Does it taste the same since you've been in the US or abroad for so long? What did you think about it? Just comment below and let me know what you think. Of course, I'm going to let you guys know how I use my snails, what I use them for, and how it tastes. Like I said, I've never cooked with them before, but I just had a taste for it, so I requested for it. So after the next day, this is how it looked like. Of course, the water was more clean.
Oh, okay. And the message that no one called Nuti.
Of course, it was clean and ready to store. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye.